Hi, and welcome to Adells. Tonight, I'll be guiding you through a calm step-by-step manual pump session in a cozy home setting. If you enjoyed gentle tutorials like this one, I'd be so happy if you could like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's slow down together and make this a moment of peace. Evenings have a special kind of quiet. The lights are softer, the world outside seems to pause, and it's just you in your own little safe space. This is the perfect time to focus on yourself, unwind, and allow your body to relax. Before we start, check that you have everything nearby. Your manual pump, a clean container, and maybe even a warm drink like herbal tea. Settle into your spot. Perhaps you're sitting on the sofa with a blanket draped around your shoulders, or resting on your bed with pillows supporting your back. Adjust your posture so your shoulders feel loose and your breathing comes easily. Take a deep breath in through your nose, hold it for a few seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let go of the weight of the day with every breath. Before beginning, close your eyes for just a moment. Notice the sounds around you, maybe the hum of the heater, the ticking of a clock, or the gentle hush of the night outside. These small, ordinary sounds can actually remind us that we are safe, at home, and cared for. When you're ready, open your eyes slowly and pick up your pump. Begin with light, steady squeezes. Don't rush. The key here is consistency, not speed. Think of it as moving with the rhythm of your breath. Inhale as you prepare your hand, exhale as you squeeze gently. This simple flow can make the process feel more natural, almost like a quiet evening meditation. Once you've finished, carefully store your milk, clean your pump parts, and then return to your cozy seat. Take one last deep breath, appreciating this calm evening moment you created for yourself. Thank you for joining me here on Adells. If this tutorial helped you feel relaxed and cared for, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more peaceful guides.